Hello everyone, my name is Aditya G. Gaikwad. My roll number is 21EC30004. In this video, I will be telling you all about my DIY assignment 2. For this assignment, I have made a temperature sensor, and for doing this, I have used an Arduino Uno 3, a breadboard, a LED, a resistor, a TMP36 temperature sensor, and a piezo. Now let me explain my connections. First, I have connected the ground of the Arduino Uno to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Then I've connected the 5-volt power source from the Arduino Uno to the positive terminal of the breadboard. Then I've connected the digital pin D3 to the anode of the LED through a resistor so that the current in the LED remains small and the LED doesn't burn out. Then I have connected the cathode of the LED to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Then I have connected the ground of the TMP36 sensor to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Then I have connected the power of the TMP36 sensor to the positive of the breadboard. Then the output which the TMP36 sensor gives is in the form of voltage, and I have connected it to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino Uno. And finally, I have connected the negative terminal of the piezo to the negative terminal of the breadboard and the positive terminal of the piezo to the digital pin T4. Now let us take a look at the code. In the code, I have made use of two variables, output and temperature. Output controls the voltage given to the LED, and temperature is the reading of temperature sensor in degree Celsius scale. First, I have converted the reading of temperature sensor to degree Celsius scale. In the later part of this video, you will get to know why I have done this. Then I have used an if-else block so that when the temperature is between 40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, the LED over here glows linearly, which is at 40 degrees Celsius the LED is off, and at 70 degrees Celsius and beyond the LED is glowing with maximum brightness. Then I have used this if-else block to turn on the speaker if the temperature rises above 70 degrees Celsius. Now let us see the simulation. So now as you can see, when I increase the temperature above 40 degrees Celsius, the bulb increases its brightness till 70 degrees Celsius. And then as you saw now, as soon as I take the temperature above 70 degrees Celsius, the buzzer starts beeping. This kind of circuits can be used to measure temperature of some certain machine parts, which the bulb indicates the tolerance level and the buzzer starts beeping as soon as the temperature exceeds a critical value. Now let me explain why I had used a formula to convert temperature sensor reading to degree Celsius scale. For that, I have used a print statement to print what the temperature sensor actually reads. So now if we start the simulation, the temperature is at 25 degrees Celsius, but the reading of the temperature sensor is 153. So the temperature sensor does not actually read the temperature in degree Celsius scale, but reads some value between 20 to 358. To convert this temperature sensor value, we have used this particular formula. Now let's copy the code to Arduino IDE. For that, first you need to convert from blocks to block plus text, and then copy the whole text code. Then go to the Arduino IDE, paste it, then go to Sketch, use the verify and compile option. Once it is done compiling, you can connect your Arduino and start using your circuit. Thank you.